One of the most important things that you can do for your business is to make sure that your data is backed up. Windows Vista makes it super easy. All versions have the Backup and Restore Center, and on certain versions like Windows Vista Business and Ultimate Edition, you can do a Windows Complete PC backup, and I'll show you what that's all about. It's super easy to do. All you have to do first is go to the Start menu, and in the Control panel, under the System and Maintenance option here, you can see Backup your computer. It couldn't be easier. And from here, there's two ways to back up your files in your hard drive. You can do a backup copy of your files and folders, and if you have the Business or the Ultimate Edition, you can do a complete PC backup, which literally takes a snapshot of your hard drive. I'll show you what that's all about in a few minutes. First, we're going to go to Backup Files if you just want to back up certain files and folders, and all versions of Vista support this. Hit Continue, and from here, it wants to know where I want to save my backup. I can either go to a blank CD or DVD, or if I've got an external hard drive, which are pretty inexpensive now, I can select that. If I want, I can even save it to a network drive. If I've got a number of computers hooked up on the network, I can save it to one of those. I'm going to select the external hard drive. There you can see I have the different options, and I hit the Next button. From here, it wants to know where the files are on which hard drive. Well, it's on my C drive that I want to take the files off of, or backup, I mean. Hit Next. And at this point, I can select what type of files and folders that I want to do. You can see everything from pictures, music, videos, emails, even TV shows. And I'm going to select all of them. Hit Next. And at this point here, we simply select how often, daily, weekly, monthly. In many cases, if you're working on a lot of files quite often, I would do a daily backup. And what time? I typically try to select something late into the evening, like 3 a.m. when you're not going to be working on your computer. And after that's done, you simply hit the Save Settings and Start Backup option, and it'll automatically back that up for you on a daily basis or whenever you choose. Now, with Windows Vista Business and the Ultimate Edition, you've got the Complete PC Backup and Restore option. And this is pretty powerful. Essentially, it's taking a snapshot of your entire hard drive, so everything from the operating system, your settings, your programs, and all of your files. And it's recommended that you do this every 6 months. The reason why? Well, imagine if your entire hard drive crashes and you have this image and you're able to restore it, how much time that will save you. You don't have to reinstall all of your programs. And it's, again, simple to do. Just hit the Backup Computer option here. Continue. It's looking for backup devices right now. And I've got a few different external hard drives. If I want to select it to one of those, I can select that. On this one here, it's telling me I might not have enough free space. Or if I want to, I can even select one or more DVDs. Keep in mind, if you've got a big hard drive, like a 200 gig hard drive, DVDs, blank DVDs, are typically only 4.7 gigabytes in size. So it's going to back it up to a whole bunch of those. I try to get backed up to an external hard drive, so it's a lot easier to work with. After this point, what you want to do, when I hit the Start Backup option, it'll automatically back up everything to that external hard drive that I've selected. The nice thing is, if I have a complete meltdown on my computer, the hard drive crashes, all I have to do is take my external hard drive now to the new PC and hit the Restore Files or the Restore Computer option. And in this case here, would do the Restore Computer, and it would automatically put all of that stuff back on the hard drive, and I'd be up and going again in no time. So keep your business safe and secure. Have a look at the Windows Backup and Restore Center in Windows Vista. And if you've got the Business and the Ultimate Edition, you have access to that complete PC backup as well.